Imagine millions of liters of dirty water mixed with oil, chemicals, and toxic sludge. Now imagine releasing that directly into the environment. That's a disaster. So how do oil and gas companies turn this hazardous wastewater into clean, reusable water? Let's break down the complete process step by step. Welcome back. If you're a QC inspector, engineer, or oil and gas professional, this will give you a clear and practical understanding of wastewater and oily sludge treatment used in real plants. In oil and gas facilities, wastewater comes from produced water, tank cleaning, equipment washing, cooling systems, and refinery operations. This water contains oil and grease, suspended solids, chemicals, heavy metals, and oily sludge, which is one of the most difficult wastes to treat. The first stage is oil-water separation. In an API separator, gravity separates oil and water. Oil floats to the surface while solids settle at the bottom. Plate separators use inclined plates to improve efficiency. Skimming systems remove the floating oil layer. At this stage, free oil is removed, but emulsified oil still remains. The next stage is chemical and biological treatment. During coagulation and flocculation, chemicals are added to combine small particles into larger flocks. In dissolved air flotation, air bubbles attach to oil particles and lift them to the surface for removal. Biological treatment uses microorganisms to break down organic contaminants. This stage removes dissolved oil, organic matter, and fine suspended solids. For higher quality water, advanced treatment is used. Filtration removes remaining fine particles. Activated carbon removes odor and residual chemicals. Membrane systems like ultrafiltration and reverse osmosis remove dissolved contaminants. The treated water can then be safely discharged or reused in the plant. Now comes the toughest part, oily sludge. It contains heavy hydrocarbons, solids, and water. Centrifugation uses high-speed rotation to separate oil, water, and solids. Thermal treatment uses heat to separate oil from sludge. Bioremediation uses bacteria to break down hydrocarbons. Solidification converts sludge into a safe disposable form. Recovered oil is often reused, reducing waste and cost. Proper wastewater treatment prevents soil and groundwater contamination, protects marine life, ensures worker safety, and helps meet strict environmental regulations. For inspectors and engineers, it is critical to check coating conditions of tanks and pipelines, monitor corrosion protection, verify separator performance, and ensure proper sludge handling. Poor inspection can lead to system failure and serious environmental damage. That's how oil and gas companies treat wastewater and oily sludge, from basic separation to advanced purification. If you found this useful, like, comment, and subscribe for more practical industrial knowledge.